Hello students and welcome to Toppscholars. Today we are going to learn about sums on chart. So students, here are few happy kids who have come to buy ice cream with their parents. And just like you, I interacted with most of them and found out that they also like chocolate, vanilla, and mango flavored ice creams. So, 25 people liked chocolate, 10 of them liked vanilla, and 15 of them liked mango. And I asked this question to total of 50 people. Now let's represent this data in the table in the form of a chart. On the x-axis, we'll write the ice cream flavor. So chocolate, vanilla and mango. And on the y-axis, we'll write the number of people. So let's say this small red triangle represents 5 people. And total of 25 people liked chocolate ice cream. So if you divide 25 by 5, you'll get 5. So we'll put 5 triangles under chocolate. 3, 4 and 5. Now 10 people liked vanilla. So dividing 10 by 5, you'll get 2. So we'll put 2 triangles under vanilla. Similarly, 15 people liked mango flavored ice cream. And dividing 15 by 5, you'll get 3. So let's place 3 triangles under mango. There's 1, 2 and 3.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.